Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another 3-second wig install from BGMgirl Hair. This is their Wear and Go 4x6 pre-plucked and pre-cut lace closure glueless ocean wave wig. Now I will have all the specific information listed in the description box down below, but you guys, this wig install is going to be so quick, so easy, and it's definitely beginner friendly. So of course I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing because BGMgirl Hair likes to send so many goodies along with the wig in itself, so you'll definitely be getting your money's worth. Here is the unit. Again, this is their 4x6 Wear and Go glueless pre-cut and pre-plucked lace closure ocean wave wig. Now I'm going to give you guys a close-up of that lace as well as the inside of the wig as well. Just so you guys know, the inside of the wig is called a dome cap, so therefore it's a lot more breathable, a lot more comfortable. And then of course you have the adjustable straps for a nice glueless wig install. Also, just so you guys know, I did not bleach the knots. I did not even wash the hair. I did not do anything to it. I literally took this wig out the box and I was ready to install it. And when you guys see how easy it was for this lace to blend in, how easy it was to style, girl, like literally it was so quick and it was so easy, because you guys know me, sometimes I'm quick to bleach the knots, etc., but I did not have to do anything with this wig. So as you guys already saw, all I did was just add some makeup onto that lace and I adjusted the straps to my preference. Now the good thing about a glueless adjustable strap wig that BGMgirl has to offer is the fact that it's able to fit anybody. So regardless of like your measurements with your wig cap size, this wig, you don't really have to worry about that. You're just going to adjust those adjustable straps to your preference, okay? So as always, I'm going to do my quick little process of adding additional makeup on the lace if needed, more so towards the front and the middle part. And I will be going in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to make sure that the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible. So once we get through all that, I'll come back. All right, you guys, she is looking good. Now at this point you could literally just walk on out the door if you need to, but I have a thing where I kind of like to refresh my curls for whatever reason. I don't know, but as you guys can see, like, I really didn't need to do that. I was just being extra, so I added some additional hairspray and then I just went in with my curling wand to go ahead and kind of just re-curl the curls. I only did like a couple of pieces. I think I want to say maybe I did like 4 to 5. I can't really remember, I'm not too sure, but you guys will see it here in the video. What I really wanted to talk about is how luxury this hair was. It was so silky and it was so soft. Mind you guys, this is fresh out the box. I did not wash it. I did not add any type of oil. I did not do anything to it besides add my little bit of makeup and throw it on my head and just make sure it looks nice and polished before I leave the house. So BGMgirl hair is really known for their glueless wig installs because of how easy they are. It saves you a whole bunch of time. It saves you money because their wigs are super affordable. They're beginner friendly. They take like 3 seconds to install, and because they are glueless, it literally is super easy for anybody and everybody to install, as I mentioned. But not only that, you guys, it protects and saves your edges. We do not have time for our edges to be ripped out by these wigs nowadays. Glueless wigs are becoming a lot more popular because they just get the job done without you having to do a whole lot of work, okay? Not to mention, you can wear this wig anywhere, okay? You can wear it to work, you can wear it to brunch, you can wear it on a date, you can wear it wherever you'd like. It's suitable for any occasion. And again, if you want to, you can literally take it off and switch it up. They have so many wear and go glueless wig options to choose from. It's insane. So yeah, you guys will definitely want to go ahead and check them out. Okay, so we are pretty much done, you guys. Again, this hair is absolutely amazing. It's 100% human hair. It's soft and bouncy. It's easy to style. And just so you guys know, the hair can be dyed and bleached if you prefer. But as y'all see, it comes fresh out the box, ready to go. And I loved it. I definitely loved it because as much as I love me some wigs, glueless wigs will always be my preference, and BGMgirl hair always gets the job done. Look how nice and silky and bouncy this hair looks, you guys. Again, I did not do anything to it. Y'all literally saw everything in this video that I did to this wig. I really had to do nothing to it, and I was happy with that, okay? I don't got time, I don't got the energy, and this definitely saved me the time, energy, and of course the money as well. I definitely recommend this wig to all of my beginners out there. I feel like the no glue, no spray, protecting your edges situation is a key for everybody nowadays. And if you're allergic, God forbid, you will want a wig like this to go ahead and save you any amount of trouble in the near future. As always, I will have all the information listed at the very top of the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and shout out to BGMgirl hair.